What's going on, you guys? How are you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. Today we're going to be delving into 2 free BMW repairs that you can get done pretty much right at this moment that can either potentially save your life or potentially save your car. These are 2 very important things, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what they are. Let's get right into it. So if you guys follow my channel on a fairly regular basis, you will know that this is my 2007 335i. The exposure on my camera is whack right now, so my car looks super faded for some reason. But anyway, moving over to the Workbench, I always preach to keep basically a clean folder filled with all your maintenance and service records so that you have proof of basically the maintenance or the repairs that you've done on your car. Not only will this add value when it comes time to selling your car, but you're also going to be doing a big favor to not only yourself, but the next owner of your vehicle when it comes time to sell it.
It's the Voker 101.
Getting right into it, the first recall, obviously, as I stated previously, is the Takata airbag recall. Now, for those of you that are unaware, this is actually the largest automotive recall in the United States ever recorded. Basically, the Japanese airbag manufacturer Takata has decided to recall well over, I think, like 5 million plus vehicles all the way throughout December 2019. The recall started in about May of 2016 due to defective airbags, and this doesn't just extend to BMW. These are actually recalls that extend to manufacturers like Fiat Chrysler, Honda, Toyota, Nissan, the Daimler Motor Company, General Motors, Ford, BMW, Audi. So we're talking about all across the automotive spectrum. Takata is recalling vehicles due to faulty airbags. Now, what exactly is the fault? You should know this because it is actually a life-threatening danger if your airbag has not already been replaced. What happens is Takata, according to this article that I was reading, uses a chemical called ammonium nitrate to essentially inflate the airbag, I guess, under a very high pressure. But what happens is, due to external factors such as humidity and high heat and temperatures and whatnot, can actually degrade the chemical itself. And what happens is, if you were to get into an accident and the airbag were to inflate, what happens is there's a metal canister that will actually explode due to the chemicals, and when the airbag inflates, essentially you'll get hot shrapnel thrown at your face at very high speed, and actually over 20 people have already been killed and hundreds have actually been injured from this. If you haven't done it already, it's really something that you should consider doing. I mean, not should consider, it's something that you need to do ASAP. Most dealers by now at this point, at least with BMW, have the new airbag part, and they reinstall it. The actual airbag cover over the steering wheel is brand new on my car, along with the new BMW roundel, so that's kind of nice. And of course, it's fully free. Now, this is something that you want to get done ASAP, because if you're driving around with a faulty airbag, this can be potentially life-threatening, and obviously you don't want to be injured, or you don't want to have a fatality in the event of an accident. Getting right into the second recall that has been issued, this one being BMW specific. This is actually due to the blower motor wiring. Now, I made a video a while back talking about it, like, will your BMW catch on fire? And that is actually a reported issue amongst a lot of BMW cars in the E90 generation from the years, like I said, around 2006 to 2013. I'm not sure of the specific models that are affected in the specific years. You can easily look that up. But what ends up happening is that the blower motor that is in charge for the heater core, I believe, in the car, some of the wiring eventually tends to degrade due to external factors such as heat. And what happens is it can create some sort of like spark, and essentially what happens in worst case scenarios, it's very rare that it happens, but it can happen, is that the car will burst into a bunch of flames. Now, it's happened to people before, and BMW never addressed the issue until very recently, actually. It's definitely something that is serious, and your car will be totaled, and if your car catches on fire, it's going to be screwed. Now, according to my knowledge, a lot of my friends that I've been asking around that drive BMWs and whatnot, they're saying that a lot of the local dealerships don't have the fix for the heater core or the blower motor wiring, whatever it is. they actually don't have that part available specifically. So for a lot of dealerships, it's a long wait, and according to the dealerships, they don't have any word from BMW as to when they will be receiving the new parts. However, at my dealership that I took it to, they were able to get it done for me. They did it no problem, honestly, and they had the parts in stock. So fortunately for me, it's good, but you know, it's worth at least going into your dealership or calling and asking about the recall to see if the part is there or not, because obviously you would like to get that done as soon as possible. Nobody wants their car going up in flames. Now, I do have the records right over here. I'm going to read exactly what they did specifically as they document the process of the repair so that you guys know kind of exactly what goes down. Like I said before, this is a 2007 335i Coupe. If you have a different model, it might be a little bit of a different process, but overall it's going to be a very similar thing. Now for the Takata airbag, it says recall driver's front airbag, perform driver's front airbag recall as per SI B650416, remove the negative battery cable, remove the driver's front airbag and replace with updated part number, serial number, and then they have the serial number stated below. So they put the brand new airbag module. Obviously this is free under recall, and that is done. Now going into the second repair, which is the blower motor wiring, that is perform open service campaign blower motor wiring, remove the negative battery cable, inspected the blower motor wiring, found type 2 repair needed as per examples given in SI B640717, replaced the blower motor regulator and repaired wiring harnesses, reassembled all components. And once again, that was free. So essentially the driver's airbag module as well as the blower motor regulator along with the damaged wiring pieces all get replaced. So yeah guys, that's it. These are the two really simple, easy repairs. Set up an appointment with your local BMW dealer. I'm sure if you guys have been contacted already by your dealership or through the mail through Takata or the national recall system from the Highway Transportation Advisory or whatever, but it's important to get those done. Those are the two that are open right now that I'm aware of. I'm not sure if there's any other recalls. I don't believe so, but I hope you guys found that informative. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel, Simply Car Things. I have some really awesome videos planned. I know I say that all the time, but I have some sick stuff coming up that you guys are really gonna enjoy regarding 335s, some M3s, and another car that I'm not gonna talk about yet. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Take it easy.
We figured out a few things back on the shawty. We figured out a few things in that new year. I need you just to listen, shawty.